Couple bikes just pulled up. They just chilling there. I'm not sure if they're gonna pull up to the meet or what. Dual Broncos. Dual 4 Broncos over here.
I asked him, I said, well, you got any friends that can drive?
And a big lifted Chevy.
Everybody I know is out of town too. We brought
Crazy.
only 2 of us.
I gotta show y'all some crazy stuff in this one, okay? So this is part 3 now, and I gotta show y'all some crazy stuff. I'm gonna be uploading this by the day, y'all. So I'm recording this on Saturday, July 3rd. Tomorrow may be a 4th of July special of us shooting off the fireworks. Maybe yes, maybe no. And then I'm gonna start posting up slowly clips of this afterwards. But look at this. Legit functional drag car. That's a slick. That's a... Bruh. This is my first time coming to like a car meet like this, and oh my God. That thing is proper fat boys on the front, skinnies. Fat boys in the back, skinnies on the front. Somebody's already got their hands on a Mustang Mach 1. And I'm loving that lime green. Absolutely loving it. Sheriff? What is it, Enos? You dipstick? I found something for you, Sheriff. What is it, Enos? Well, I don't know where the Duke boys were, but I found their car. Oh, this is sick, though.
That generally is clean. It is pretty clean.
It is beautiful.
It is clean. You know, like you see so many that are kind of thrown together.
I know. Generally. Beautiful, man. Don't worry, guys. As if Roscoe would ever get his hands on the Duke Boys' car. This thing is gorgeous.
Makes me want to go moonshining.
That'd be some kind of moonshiner with that engine.
Yeah. You don't need to drive with that. The black cherry. Look, I just noticed too.
And then that thing is like set up to properly drag race and everything. Look like.
That's nice, man.
That's some.
I like the
Fat
Paper Max.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Mine off and threw these on. I've been saving them for a special 4th of July holiday.
Oh, gotcha.
I normally have some kind of Paper Max or another. It's car number 170.
That is straight out of. I thought the engine in my Viper in No Limit 2.0 was freaking huge. This is another level. I've never seen a supercharged V8 just this freaking like that's crazy. This is my first time seeing something like this in person. And it's just absolutely insane.
Yeah. Oh, money.
Got a Bel Air. That's basically the exact same motor that's in my Viper No Limit 2.0. That's really nice. That is a nice old Shelby. Oh my God, that's an Ariel Atom. Bro. Oh my God. That entire body is carbon fiber.
Yep. 1,300 pounds.
1,300.
Not much of a body. It's more like a dune buggy.
It's like it's just a cage on wheels.
It's a cage on wheels.
For both of these y'all?
Oh, nice.
That's nice.
Gorgeous.
But I like to break that.
So y'all share that one.
Break
with
that.
yours.
No, I like to break that.
I imagine the break's easy anyway.
Pops, she breaks something. So I
1,300
wound up working on
pounds.
both of them.
Yeah.
And then I
He said this thing's weight. He said this thing's weighs 1,300 pounds. Like, I know. Like, if I'm not mistaken, I think this thing has like 2 motorbike engines stuck together or something. It's like a weird V8. This thing has like a weird V8.
We live up
I'm pretty sure this thing is. Wait. Oh, it's rear engine. Oh. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh my God.
Well, and
That
was
muffler.
Mississippi. I went to Mississippi College. and
Guess that thing must be getting boiled.
Trust me, we were awake every inning.
1,300 pounds. Could you imagine how ridiculously squirrely this thing would be at 1,300 pounds? It just, entirely carbon fiber. I wonder how much power this thing makes. Like, I want to know the power to weight ratio, because that's got to be insane.
All of mine don't. So yeah, when I came to college, I actually moved to Mississippi in high school.
Oh. Well, that thing's just. That's amazing. Look at a little. He's been out here riding that thing, I guess. Like a 5.0 Mustang. Wow. Pink interior, breast cancer awareness. That's clean. Beautiful Camaro right here. Challenger. I love the blue on this Challenger, the blue accent. That's amazing. What are this? These. Oh, American Racing Wheels. Okay. That's clean. Well, that's a Perkins family. Little stuff in the windshield and stuff too. That's Triumph. I'm trying to remember what manufacturer made the Triumph. I think it's like, oh, is it Metro? I want to say it's Metro. TR, okay, I have no idea. Oh, Triumph is the manufacturer. TR6. I got you.
Green is over.
I'm not sure if I would have the convertible, but that is gorgeous. I'm digging this. Oh my God. Beautiful Trans Am. I would have got this thing in the black and made it the. I would have got this thing in the black and I would have made it the. What do you call it? The. Dang it.
This one's more original than
Dang. What movie was the Trans Am in? Smokey and the Bandit. That's what I'm thinking of. I would have made mine black and made it Smokey and the Bandit themed. S10 over there on his rims. I'm sure he's a proud owner of that thing. Look at this Corvette though. Oh wow. Okay, that's so weird to me. I never thought about that, but I guess this is how it is with all cars with pop-up headlights. You look under the hood and it's just, you can see the pop-ups. That's so weird. And yet the covers still stay flat, as if the lights are on the back of them. That's so weird. Woo. It's another 69 Charger. Well, roughly 69. I always say 69 because I'm used to seeing General Lee when I think of old Charger like this. Freaking gorgeous though. Love the SRT stripe. I may have already shown this Camaro. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure I did. just judging by on the road that it's on. Proper freaking round fenders in the back to fit fat slicks. This thing looked like it's set up to be a drag truck, which probably, oh my god, that blower. Dude, there are so many like supercharged old schools out here. That's crazy.